Welcome back to Dr. Pronghorn's Megalong vlog. Today we're doing an unboxing of a Mr. Jones watch, the first one I bought. Mr. Jones watches. The good horologist of balanced thoughts, concentric harmony, and indispensable pivots. The mechanician of movement, effectual navigations, midnight explorers, pavement drifters, and heroic do-nothings. And then you can see it's presented in the case with the back up. You can see it says A Perfectly Useless Afternoon by Christoph Devos. And then I think it slides. Yeah. Mr. Jones. Oh, there we go. Made in London. Our watches do more than just tell time. The cult watch brand from London. And it's a lovely presentation. And a lovely watch. And the key is that the minute hand is the duck that goes around the outside, and the hour hand is the foot of the lounging gentleman in the middle. A perfectly useless afternoon. A perfectly wonderful watch. If you want me to check back in and show how I like it after a couple of weeks, let me know in the comments.